Okay, so we're going to plot this drawing into a PDF file. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make all the objects set to grayscale. And then the next thing is to set most of the objects into grayscale, but keep either one or two objects or layers remain their color. So here in this floor plan, we're using different colors. We have the door layers set to blue, the windows purple, and then you've got hatches, and of course you got your furniture, stairs, and so on, and last is the dimension. So let's plot or print this out first. So to print it, just press Ctrl and then P on your keyboard, click the window selection button, and then click corner to corner. Click preview to see what it looks like. And there you go. So it's printing the floor plan as it is, so the color remained the same. You just click the plot or print icon right here, and then it will print out to your PDF file. So what we would want to do is make it grayscale. So to do that, first we have to change the plot style. So the plot style can be changed here in clicking file and then select a page setup manager. Next is click the modify button. So this is the plot style list. By default it is set to the AutoCAD.ctb plot style. Prints out all the color as it is in the workspace. So if you want to make this grayscale, just click the drop down menu and then look for grayscale.ctb. Click yes, and then let's try to see what it looks like in grayscale. So let's click the window selection and then see what it looks like here. So there you go. So everything is now set to grayscale. Say for example, all of the objects will be grayscaled, but we will keep the dimension its original red color. Now you have to make sure first what is the exact color you're using for these objects for all the layers. I have the dimension group into layers, so I'm gonna click this layer properties manager, and for the dimension, this one it is color red. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because you might have a color code or a number code for specific colors. Like for example, I have this gray colors right here. The number code is 251. So make sure you know what that code is, unless it's already indicated here as red, blue, white, and so on. So now everything will be set to grayscale except for the dimension. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to duplicate a plot style. So we're going to duplicate the grayscale.ctb plot style, the one I showed you earlier. So to do that, we're going to file again, and this time we're going to select plot style manager. This will open a window for the plot styles which are in .ctb file, and the one you worked on earlier is the grayscale CTB. So we don't want to edit this one. Instead, we're going to copy this and then paste it on the same window. You can rename this, let's say grayscale except dimension. So you can rename this to any name you want. Now let's edit that CTB file. So let's go back to file again. Now we're gonna go to page setup manager, click the modify button. Now this time we're going to select the one that we created earlier. It's the grayscale except dimension.ctb. So we're going to select this, but we're going to edit this plot style first. So to edit it, just click the edit icon beside it, And all the colors here are set to grayscale. To know if they are set to grayscale or not, you can see here under properties, the grayscale setting is turned on. So for example, if you want to turn this specific color off and not set to gray, and this is the red color, it's color 1, so we're going to disable this by selecting off. So this means that all the colors are will be grayed out except for color 1 or the red color. You can now save and close. Once you're okay with that, then you can click the OK button, click close, and then you can plot or print this drawing. So again, Control P, window selection, got corner to corner, and then preview. And there you go. So you can print this out now, and then hit save. So it's gonna be saved as a PDF file.
Purchase your tracks today.